Hi, beautiful babes. Sweet Angel here. Thank you so much for coming to hang out with me here on Sugar Fingers. Y'all, today I'm working on these ugly feet. And guess what? It is my first time, this would be my first time actually, of doing gel polish on my toenails. I'm starting off here today by actually taking off my old polish, which is just regular nail polish, and I'm using acetone. This acetone comes from Sally's Beauty Supply. I'll have my link down below, but it is pure 100% acetone, and it dissolves nail polish like a whiz. So that's what I'm starting with right now, just getting that all taken off. Now I'm just going to try to take care of these cuticles. I'm using the Madam Glam Manicure Tool Kit here. I also have 30% off on Madam Glam products, so check that out. The links are below again. And I'm just, again, trying to clean off all of the dead skin that's on the cuticle area and make it look fresh and clean. All right, after a little bit of elbow grease, hey, I realized that I couldn't do this without my cuticle remover. This I got from Amazon, the little bottle there, that's just an easy applicator bottle, so I poured it in there. And again, this is going to help soften up those cuticles even more, so I continue to, do a little bit more work on the cuticles again to smoothen that area out and to get rid of all of the dead skin around the cuticle area, which made it so much easier since it was so much softer now. It's just coming up like a breeze. So check it out. Links are below. I just took a little alcohol onto a paper towel and just wiped off the residue of skin that was on there. And then I took me some hand sanitizer. Actually, I used it a lot because of course it contains alcohol. And just using this eyebrow razor that I got from Amazon, I just shaved off the hair off of my toes, make them pretty. And then I used my callus remover foot file. I picked these up at my beauty supply store. They're quite affordable from the beauty supply store. And then I take just a little file and go ahead and shape up the toenails and even them off. I don't really grow square toenails. Mine grow in every different kind of shape. So, but I just kind of, even them up and clean them up. Make it look good. Then I take a buffing block and just buff off the top of the nails just to get rid of some of the oils and any skin buildup on the toes, getting them nice and cleaned off for nail polish application. I then go back in with alcohol, spritz them, clean off any of the dust and particles off of the toenails and toes, and just making sure I don't have any hiccups or lumps or bumps under my nail polish. And now I'm putting out my Melody Susie nail lamp and getting ready to dehydrate and prime my toenails using the Macart primer and dehydrator that I got from Amazon. I meant to show earlier that I'll be using the Poet base coat and top coat for my nails. I'm also using their polishes. I received these in a PR package the other day, and I wanted to go ahead and try using their white polish plus putting on a silver glitter top on there. So just going to cure that for 90 seconds. No, it's not going to be 90 seconds on screen. However, it's 90 seconds. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply 2 coats of the white polish and then a coat of the silver glitter polish and the top coat. And that's pretty much it. Now I'm just taking my alcohol and a cotton round, and I'll be wiping off the top of the nail just to take off the sticky layer of the gel polish, which even if it's a no wipe, I still do this because I'm just used to doing it. So I've wiped it off, wiped the toes off, and now they are ready to get some cuticle oil applied. Yes, I do put this all over my feet as well as when I do my pedicure, manicure, whatever. This oil is amazing, and you can find it on Amazon as well. It is the Cuccio Natural Milk and Honey Cuticle Revitalizing Oil. And beautiful babes, I have one ugly foot down, and now it's time to hit the other one so I can have these all uniform. And I did it myself. You know, I still have to do a little bit more soaking on my calluses and corns. I'll do that separately and let y'all know what I use on that. But you know, this is it. I have completed my toenails first time using gel polish, and I hope I love it. The only situation is, y'all know, when you get a little bit older, it's not as much fun to be working on the feet. So I have to soak it off instead of just use it a cotton round and remove it simply like that. But that's okay. We'll work it out. I'm your girl, Sweet Angel. Thank you so much for hanging out with me while I work on these ugly feet. And I appreciate you all stopping by. Please stay in the know right here on Sugar Fingers. Simply drop a like on it, subscribe, hit the post notification bell, drop me some hands in the comments, and make sure you always keep the hair, the face, the hands, and the feet looking gorgeous. Toodles!